So, the Fear and Greed Index has shown that the entire global crypto market has been in the extreme fear category for the past month, and today the index fell to its lowest level in several weeks and is currently sitting at around 15 units. So basically, under extreme fear conditions, this means that more people are selling than are buying. And of course, this has reflected in the markets, as the entire global crypto market cap has dropped by nearly $200 billion. At the time of recording, Bitcoin has fallen to about $42,000 and Ethereum is around about $3.3 thousand. And sure enough, our favorite Shiba Inu ecosystem tokens have also not been spared from the bloodbath. SHIB is down, LEASH is down, and even Bone token is down massively too. Today I'm going to give you a quick overview as to what is happening currently at the moment, and then we're going to discuss what are our options under these current conditions. Welcome back to SHIB Planet everyone, this is Ace. Here on this channel I cover the full Shiba Inu ecosystem and other related tokens. I provide information, insight and analysis. I'm not a financial advisor and these videos are not financial advice. If this is the type of content which you like, remember to leave a thumbs up for the SHIB army, as this really helps the videos reach a wider audience. And also, to save time, I highly recommend that you guys watch this video at least 1.5 speed, as this will help you consume my content a lot faster. Just click the settings section on your screen, select playback speed and choose your speed. Okay guys, let's do this. Shiba Inu fell below 30,000 units and is currently trading at about 2971 units. This means that Shiba Inu's market cap also fell to around $16 billion. However, since the rest of the market also fell, Shiba Inu continues to be the 13th largest crypto by market cap in the world at the moment. And according to on-chain analytics, less than 50% of wallet addresses at the moment are currently in profit overall, and the number is actually even lower if you factor in purchases from recent months. So let's talk about what caused the market to crash. According to this article, Bitcoin fell to 43k after the Federal Reserve showed its commitment to decrease their balance sheet reserves. The article goes on to say that minutes from the Federal Reserve's December meeting revealed that the regulator is dedicated to reducing its balance sheet and hiking interest rates in 2022, and as a result, Bitcoin and the wider cryptocurrency market has plummeted as stock markets also pulled back at the closing bell. And this triggered a wave of liquidations which totaled over $200 million in less than an hour. This next section is titled Rect Capital Foreshadows Similarities, and they go on to say that the chart below shows that there are many similarities between this current Bitcoin range and the range in May of 2021, showing the time at the moment and also the range in May 2021. They go on to say that both saw Bitcoin consolidate inside two bull market EMAs, and if Bitcoin is to repeat history, a capitulation event could take place where Bitcoin could briefly deviate below the blue 50 EMA line over here, which is quite interesting. And if the price does not break back over 46,000, then the market may be in for a prolonged bear market. So, what does this mean for Shiba Inu and the market? Well, this is actually not the first time we've been under these conditions. For some people who have a long-term view of the market, and in particular for Shiba Inu, prices like this, they present really good buying opportunities. After all, 2022 is the year when Shiba Inu is going to be fleshing out its big gun utility projects, such as the mobile and PC version of the Shiboshis game, which is currently under development by a AAA game studio, PlaySide. And whilst on that point, PlaySide Studios recently teased the community that this is actually set to be a really fun game with this tweet over here. Queenie sent a tweet saying, "Imagine how much fun we'll be having when the games are out," to which PlaySide Studios confirms and says, "Can confirm, a lot of fun." Okay guys, I've been in contact with the team from Moomoo, the brokerage exchange. Right now they're offering up to 5 free stocks just for opening a brokerage account, and these stocks are valued all the way up to 3,500, which is awesome. And also, if you deposit any amount into your account, you'll get an additional stock. There's also a chance that you can get a free blue chip stock such as Google, Amazon and Tesla. And I think this is a really good way to start the new year with free stocks which you can watch grow throughout 2022. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys below. Also, 2022 is the year that Shiba Inu will enter the metaverse with its play-to-earn version of the Shiboshis game, which is set for release later this year. And also 2022 is where Shibarium, the Layer 2 blockchain, is going live, and this is also going to house a more advanced DeFi platform with ShibaSwap version 2.0. and this will in turn be followed by the Shiba Inu Incubator and ShibaNet, which in itself is a very ambitious project which tries to bridge the gap between regular businesses and decentralized blockchain technology. So, what am I saying? What I like about bearish conditions is that they show you who is really serious about building value for a community. It's easy to start a project whilst the market is pumping, but not all projects continue to build when things aren't looking good. To me, that just shows how short-sighted some projects are. There's even less scammers during these conditions, because scam projects are not in it for the long term. I personally invest in a bunch of projects, and sometimes I even invest in some of those Inu projects. And what I noticed is that they actually get hit the hardest during these times. And their developers, they actually go really quiet during these periods. But that's not the case for Shiba Inu. Do you guys remember that ShibaSwap was actually launched during the middle of a bear market? And even under those conditions, it managed to attract a TVL of over $1 billion. So it's safe to say that's one of the reasons why I still have confidence in the project itself. Before I continue, guys, I recently received my physical crypto coins from Minted Crypto USA, and they're much better than I expected. If you guys are interested in actually owning your own realistic, high-quality physical collectible coin of your favorite crypto, whether it be SHIB, Doge, Bitcoin, or any others, you can get them at their website. They now have really fast shipping options available within the US, and each coin comes individually cased in a clear protective case. I'll leave my affiliate link in the description. Let's take a look at the rest of the ecosystem. LEASH at the moment is also down over 10% at the moment at a price of about 1.1k. LEASH is probably going to become the default NFT currency for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. And in order for the blockchain version, the play to earn version of the Shiboshis to work, there's going to need to be a lot more than 10,000 Shiboshis for all the gamers who are out there in the crypto space at the moment. And this means that this is actually probably a really good buying opportunity for LEASH investors too. As for Bone Token, this has seen a massive drop over the past week, and today's crash that just made things worse. It actually has a price at the moment of about $1, and despite being a governance token and a native token for Shibarium, it still is holding this price. Now, I'll be the first to admit that I was wrong about Bone Token, because I really thought that it would do well almost immediately after the announcements. But it looks like that's just not happening at the moment for Bone Token. I still think that Bone, it's going to get its time in the limelight at some point in the future, but maybe after all the utility is up and running. And that means that this is probably a good, also a good buying opportunity for Bone Token. But remember, this is obviously not financial advice. And that is it for today's update, guys. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. And my question for today is, if the overall market remains like this for the next 6 months, what is going to be your crypto strategy? Would you sell and wait till things warm up? Or would you continue to buy the dips on projects which you have convictions in? Let me know in the comment sections below. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. This is Ace. Peace.